Hello there and welcome to this week's update by valerio. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Now that WordPress 5.5 was released, let's have a look at how the blogs directory works. You will not find a new menu to browse for new blogs, it will be part of plugins. The easiest way to add a new blog is search for it on the editor when creating a new page or post. You can search for a topic, for example, if you want to add a testimonial blog, and then install the blog. It will be automatically inserted in the editor and you can customize it to your needs. The same thing happens if you want to add a contact information block. All the blocks are now in the plugins list and you can deactivate it and delete it if no longer needed. Now it's your time to try. Have a wonderful weekend.